In this video, I'll show you how to downgrade or upgrade Wise account features. Step 1. Log in and go to account settings. Open the Wise app or website and click on Log In. Go to your profile and find account settings or manage account. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Review current features and plans. In settings, see your current account type, personal or business, and activate any active premium subscriptions or add-ons. Step 3. Upgrade to Wise Business. This is optional. This is if you want to upgrade. If you want to upgrade, select Get a Business Account. Complete the application and business details and submit required documents. Step 4. Add or remove account features or currencies. Use the Features or Currencies section to enable or disable local accounts, add-ons, or supported currencies for your account. Follow the on-screen steps. Step 5. Downgrade or deactivate features if you want to. To downgrade, deselect features. For example, downgrade from Wise Business to Personal if eligible, or cancel extra subscriptions. Then click on Save and Confirm. Step 6. Contact Wise support for special cases. For business account closure, switching owners, or unsupported downgrades, contact Wise support for guidance and processing. Now I have some tips for you on how to manage Wise features. Upgrading to business requires eligibility checks and additional documentation. Downgrading options depend on active services. Review your features regularly. And always check platform fees and limits before modifying your account. This is very important. That's how you change your Wise feature, whether you want to upgrade or downgrade. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll help you.